Hey guys, if you're trying to figure out whether Cursor or GitHub Copilot is the better AI coding assistant in 2026, you're not alone. These two tools are everywhere right now, but they serve different types of developers, and picking the wrong one can either supercharge your workflow or completely slow you down. So let's break it down the right way. Let's start with Cursor. Cursor isn't just an AI assistant. It's an entire AI-powered IDE built on top of VS Code. The moment you open it, you notice how deeply AI is baked into every part of the experience. You can rewrite entire files, refactor classes, generate new components, fix bugs, explore your codebase, and even update multiple files at once, all through natural language prompts. What makes Cursor stand out is how context-aware it is. It doesn't just respond to one file at a time. It reads your project structure, understands relationships between files, and reasons across your entire codebase. And the Composer feature lets you tweak or regenerate specific parts of your code with surgical precision. Pricing is pretty straightforward. There's a free plan for light use, then Cursor Pro at around $20 a month, or the business tier at $40 a month if you need team features and heavier workloads. The trade-off? Cursor is still new. It's powerful, but evolving fast, and not everyone loves the closed-source components behind it. But when it works well, it's mind-blowing. Now let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Copilot's biggest advantage is simple. It's built straight into the tools developers already use. VS Code, JetBrains, NeoVim, you name it. It feels like a natural extension of your IDE, not a separate environment. You get inline auto-completions, smart suggestions, and the new Copilot chat, which can analyze your code, explain errors, write tests, or suggest improvements. In 2025, GitHub doubled down on Copilot Agent, which executes multi-step coding tasks inside isolated workspaces. Tell it to fix a bug or create a feature, and it takes action on your repo without messing everything up. Pricing starts free for limited requests, then Copilot Pro at $10 a month, and Pro Plus at $39 for premium models with unlimited agent usage. The downside? Copilot works amazing for coding assistance. Quick suggestions, quick fixes. But it's not a full AI IDE. It doesn't replace your workflow the way Cursor can. It also doesn't always understand your entire codebase at once. Instead, it works more locally and depends heavily on context windows. So, which one is better? If you want a next-generation AI development environment, where AI is involved in every piece of your project, refactoring, architecture, debugging, file generation, multi-file edits, Cursor gives you a level of control that's hard to beat. It feels like pairing with an AI engineer who knows your entire codebase. But if you want a fast, reliable, integrated assistant that enhances the tools you already use, without switching IDEs or rebuilding your workflow, GitHub Copilot is the safer, more consistent choice. It's stable, deeply integrated, and backed by an enormous ecosystem. The truth is, they're both great, but they're great for different developers. Choose Cursor if you want an AI IDE that can take on massive tasks and reshape your entire project with you. Choose GitHub Copilot if you want seamless assistance inside the editor you already use every day, with smart completions and a capable coding agent. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I break down the most talked about tools every week across AI, software, developer tools, finance, and more. So tell me, which one are you picking, Cursor or Copilot? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing what real developers choose.